Hey traders, Arjun here. Rahul has been buying options for 3 months. Sometimes he is right on the direction. Nifty goes exactly where he predicted, but the option still expires worthless. He loses money even when he is correct. How is this possible? Today, Rahul learns about India VIX, the fear index. One number that changes everything about how you trade options. Rahul discovers India VIX, the fear index. What is India VIX? Think of it as a fearometer for the market. VIX stands for Volatility Index. It measures how much volatility the market expects over the next 30 days. When traders are scared, VIX goes up. When traders are calm, VIX goes down. The NSE publishes India VIX every single trading day. It is derived from Nifty option prices. And here is the key insight. When VIX is high, options become expensive. When VIX is low, options become cheap. The VIX zones. Below 15 is calm zone. Market is relaxed. Options are cheap. This is where Rahul should be buying options. 15 to 20 is the normal zone. Moderate volatility. Both buying and selling can work. 20 to 25 is the elevated zone. Market is getting nervous. Options premiums are inflated. Selling starts making more sense. Above 25 is the panic zone. VIX is spiking. Premiums are very expensive. Option sellers make big money here. Buyers are overpaying for protection. The inverse relationship. This is the most important thing to understand about VIX. When a market falls sharply, VIX spikes up. When a market rallies calmly, VIX drifts down. They move in opposite directions, almost always. In March 2020, Nifty crashed 40%. India VIX shot to 83. In bull markets with slow, steady rallies, VIX drops to 11 or 12. So when you see VIX spiking, it is a warning. The market is falling or about to. When VIX is collapsing, the market is in a calm uptrend. How VIX affects option premiums. Rahul bought a Nifty call option when VIX was at 28. He paid 350 rupees for it. Nifty moved up by 150 points. His option should have made money, but it was worth only 280 rupees. He lost money on a correct call. Why? When he bought, VIX was 28. By the time Nifty moved up, VIX had dropped to 18. The premium collapsed even as the price moved in his favor. VIX crushed the option value. This is called volatility crush. So what do? The rule is simple. When VIX is low, below 15, buy options. They're cheap. Your risk is small. If volatility expands, your premium multiplies. When VIX is high, above 20 or 25, sell options. They are expensive. You collect fat premiums. When VIX normalizes and falls, the premium collapses in your favor. Never buy options when VIX is already high. You are buying an overpriced instrument that will lose value even if you are right on direction. Rahul's mistake explained. VIX was at 28 when Rahul bought that call. Options were priced for extreme fear. The market was already pricing in huge moves. When Nifty moved up 150 points, yes, it was in the right direction. But the market calmed down. VIX fell. The fear collapsed. And option sellers who had sold overpriced premiums made money. Rahul paid too much because he ignored VIX. The direction was right. The timing was wrong. VIX was wrong. Check VIX before every options trade. It takes 10 seconds on the NSE website. VIX below 15, consider buying. VIX above 20, consider selling. VIX is the difference between right direction and wrong result. Rahul learned this the hard way. You do not have to. If you understand it, it is simple. I am Arjun. Follow for more stories from Rahul's journey.